if you get this message on League of Legends or Valorant, and the message says, we were unable to successfully update because a file is currently in use, please close any related game processes or restart your computer. If this issue continues, please reach out to our player support team. Now, this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this issue. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now, the fix that work for so many people is close the Riot client on Task Manager and launch it as administrator. So you can search here for Task Manager on your PC and open your Task Manager. Now look for the Riot client on the list here of processes of the Task Manager. As you can see here, the Riot client. Now what you need to do, click on the Riot client, right click on it, and then select End the task to close the Riot client. Also select here Riot client, another one. Select it, and then right click on it, and then select End the task to close the Riot client. After closing the Riot client, then try launching your Riot client as administrator by searching here for Riot client, and then open it as administrator. So run as administrator. Click yes to allow this app to make changes, and then just wait for a few minutes for the Riot client to launch. Now, once your Riot client opens, select your game, which is League of Legends, and then try to update here and then check if the issue has been fixed. If you're still facing again the same problem, restart your PC and router, then open the Riot client and then try to update again. So after restarting your PC and router, you can search here for the Riot client and then open your Riot client. It will open just like so, and then try to update it after restarting your PC and router. If it all fails, go to your League of Legends settings in your Riot client and then try to run the repair. So open your Riot client, go here to League of Legends, select your profile and then select settings. Then you'll see an option here to repair. So click repair, then select start repair. After the repairing has finished, then you can try to start the update, and hopefully this will be able to resolve the issue. So ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully, and let me know in the comment section if it has helped you, and see you next time.